Hey, this Motell Granite, the great, uh, one of the Mental Blocks uh, members back in the day and present day. But I want to do this video to thank my little cousin Leaf for sending me one of the songs that I think is an absolute amazing song by Game and Kanye West called Eazy. Once was a thought from around the way. My life was never easy. But anyway, and it's zoop, 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 zoop. But anyway, man, y'all gotta check out Game Kanye West track called Eazy. And anybody that don't know, it's tied into the concept with Eazy-E song back in the day, the great NWA mogul. And so it's a California tie, and Kanye comes in as in second and just destroys it. But first, Game just rips it to pieces. And this song is needed right now for me in the hip hop game. I love it. I'm glad they did it. I'm glad they put it out. I like also the video that Leaf sent me of them having a listening party. The listening party is amazing. Like to see all of these brothers together singing these lyrics, man. And the video that was posted, it said it was at least a month ago, so I'm a month behind at least. So I hate that I missed it, the joy from a month ago. I never like to miss good moments because this world is full of tears, wars, and shambleness. So anything worth smiling and cheering and being happy about, I definitely want to have my nose stuck in it and be a part of it. So Game and Eazy-E song with, Game and Kanye West song that got the Eazy-E mixed into it. And the name of it is Eazy. I want to thank Leaf again for sending it to me, along with all of the Houston heavy hitters that he's seeing. But this is some good stuff. If you ever get a chance to check out Game and Kanye West song Eazy, it's a hip hop classic already. Much respect and much love for y'all. Y'all take care and be safe.